Today, I'm going to show you how to add keywords to your Wix website. Adding keywords properly through meta tags and SEO settings helps search engines understand what your site is about, which can improve your visibility and rankings. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to various site management options. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. It's important to make sure that this is the correct website you want to add keywords to, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. Double-checking now saves you time later. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can make changes to your site's design and structure. Start by locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation panel. Click on it to expand your options. The Pages and Menu window will now expand, showing you a complete list of all the pages currently on your website. From this list, locate the specific page or pages where you want to add your keywords. Hover your cursor over the page name, and you'll see a three-dot icon appear. This is the More Actions menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select SEO Basics. This is where you can add new meta descriptions and other SEO elements to your page. Now look at the Settings tab on the top side menu and click on Advanced SEO. This opens up more detailed options for optimizing your page. Next, click on the Additional Tags dropdown. You'll see a link that says plus Add New Tag. Click on it, a small window will appear, prompting you to enter your meta tag in HTML format. This is where you'll input your keyword meta tag. Type in your tag carefully, making sure the syntax is correct, then click Apply to add it to your page. And that's it. You've successfully added keywords to your Wix website through meta tags, which helps search engines better understand and index your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.